Introduction to IoT and Cloud Computing. The Internet of Things refers to the interconnected network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity. Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access computing resources and services over the Internet. In the context of IoT, cloud computing can be used to store, process, and analyze the vast amounts of data generated by IoT devices. Benefits of cloud computing for IoT. Scalability. Cloud computing provides the ability to scale IoT solutions quickly and efficiently, allowing for seamless integration with new devices and services. Cost effectiveness. By leveraging cloud computing, IoT solutions can reduce hardware and maintenance cost while increasing efficiency and productivity. Data analysis. Cloud computing enables real-time data analysis and insights, allowing for better decision-making and improved business outcomes. Challenges of cloud computing for IoT. Latency and bandwidth limitations. IoT devices generate large amount of data which can cause latency and bandwidth issues when transferring the data to the cloud. This can result in delays and reduced performance. Data privacy and security. IoT devices generate sensitive data which can be vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. Cloud computing services can also be targeted by hackers, which can compromise the security and privacy of IoT data. IoT devices generate and transmit large amount of data which can be sensitive and personal. It is important to ensure that these data is collected, stored, and transmitted securely to prevent unauthorized access or breaches. Device security. IoT devices are often low powered and have limited processing capabilities, which can make them vulnerable to attacks. It is important to ensure that devices are secure and protected against unauthorized access or tampering. Cloud provider security. When using cloud computing for IoT, it is important to consider the security of the cloud provider. It is important to select a provider that has a strong security track record and provides adequate security measures for data protection. Let's see with an example.
In the car key hack பண்ணும்போது இது மத்த கார் மாதிரி இல்ல. It's one of the most sophisticated cars in the world. அது breach பண்ணவே ஒரு 2 days ஆயிடுச்சு. அந்த டைம்ல நிறைய படிச்சேன் மச்சி. இந்த காருக்கு ஒரு autonomous capability இருக்கு.
Autonomous capability னா
அப்படினா அந்த கார் கீயே மட்டும் இல்ல. காரை ஹேக் பண்ணலாம்.
கார் ஹேக் பண்ணலாமா?
இதுல ஒரு auto pilot feature இருக்கு. So it's possible. காரை தூக்க நம்ம உள்ள போக வேண்டியதில்லை காரே நம்ம கிட்ட வரும் இடு
இப்ப பாரு